if we tried a lot of times to correct these mistakes, but still if they are doing the same thing, we are calling privately, and they are acting like they are listening very sincerely. But after going out, same thing, what to do? We need to do in this case. Should we keep on trying or not? Okay, excellent, excellent. If it is if it is your own family member, if it is your own, what you require to do is compulsory. You require to keep on. Okay, one approach is not working. Second approach is not working. Third approach is not working. But definitely some 90th approach or 100th approach is going to work. Okay, so there is some problem happen. Then discuss why this problem is happened. This is the because of this problem, this is the loss which is going to be happen for us. Okay, not only you, everyone is going to be affected. So in what way we can sort out? Okay, this is the way. But that approach is not working. Second time also, third time also. At least the 10th time they are going to listen. If it is the issue within your family members, within your kind of thing. Okay, if the same thing is happening in the business kind of thing. Suppose I am the business owner, my employee, I told multiple times, you should do in this style only, you should do in this style only, not do in this style. Like multiple times I told, multiple times I told, but still they are not in a position to change. Then what I will do is not interested for this work. I may require to choose another person for this work. Srikant.
Yes, sir. Got it.
Getting right? I may. They're not feeling. I told 2 times, 3 times. So simple example. నీళ్లు లేని బావి దగ్గరికి వెళ్ళి తోడుతా ఉన్నామనుకో. If we are going to the well, that well not having the water, but still we are trying to get the water. We won't get the water, I'm sure. Whose mistake it is? Is our mistake or well mistake?
Ours.
నీళ్ళు లేని బావి దగ్గరికి వెళ్ళి ఎంతసేపు దొడ్డి ఏమొస్తాయన్నా చొక్క నీళ్ళు రావు. అది మన మిస్టేక్. So if you are trying to take the water from the well where water is not available, that's your mistake. What you require to do in that scenario? What you require to do? You have to search for another well where the water is available. From there you require to get the water.
Yes.
But changing the water is not possible in the case of our life partner. Remember that. That's why I told. That's why I told. If it is a family member, then so both together work. How we have to get the water. So if it is a business kind of thing, okay, then the different story. That's why both context I introduced. So I hope you got.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Conditions
So
applied.
Conditions. That depends on the context. Context is more important than. Okay, here context is more important.